beautiful people! Good morning over the world! So, meron akong globo dito. Tinitingnan ko yung lahat ng lugar. So, thank you! Thank you sa mga nanonood ng aking vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you sa mga positive comments. Thank you. Thank you sa mga nag-likes. Thank you so much sa mga friends ko. Thank you. Later, after breakfast, I will say thank you. Sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin, yung bagong nag-subscribe, at saka sa mga palagi nanonood ng aking video. Thank you so much. So today, I will going to show you how to make pancake. Pancake na no need flour. Yeah. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Ingredients: egg, strawberry, banana, and butter. Mix banana, egg, and strawberry. Yan, malapit na siyang maluto. Yan. So guys, ito na yung pancake na nagawa ko. So, tingnan natin sa loob. Wow! Ang sarap at saka mainit pa. Oh, taran! Wow, ang ganda at saka ang bango. Wow! Sariling sikap talaga gumawa ng pancake. Yan guys, ang sarap oh. Yan, ang sarap. Yan oh. Oh, yan. Fresh na fresh. Yan. Diba? Ang sarap ano. Yan, homemade. Yan. No flour, only egg, banana, strawberry, and butter. Yan. So yummy. Hi! Welcome back! Thank you so much sa aking mga loyal na subscribers. Happy 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for always there for me. Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you sa aking loyal na viewers. Thank you, Mylon Nabintado, Señorita Emilia, Christine Hucati. Thank you so much. Lucy 2 and Chloe 2. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. And thank you din sa lahat na nagko-comment, nagla-likes, nanonood ng aking video. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your time. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Stay healthy. Be happy and never stop dreaming big. Thank you so much to all beautiful people. Thank you so much, beautiful people. Thank you so much. See you in my next vlog. Take care always. Thank you. Bye. See you.